Hi candidates, I am Engineer Ghulam Qadir and brought lecture series part 2 about the computer knowledge for all type of the competition exams. You are requested to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for informative videos. Thank you. Candidates, I'll brief all of the MCQs in detail, so listen carefully and note all of the points in detail. Here the MCQs is there are several primary categories of the procedure. Which of the following is not a primary category of the procedures? First is the testing. Testing, backup and recovery, firewall development, and after that here is design. Firstly, testing is a primary category of the procedure because in the start of every type of the procedure or the processing, the computer tests the instruction which is given to it, and after that it works on it that it can do or not. After that here is a option number 2, backup and recovery. Backup and recovery is also a primary category of the procedure because when you put on the backup you will get the basic data which has used, so it can work on the primary procedure where there you can start from this. Here the option is design. Design tells us all type of the flow charts where their computer works on the given instruction. Here only a single option is firewall development. There are several primary categories of the procedure, but firewall development is not a primary category of the procedure. Firewall are defined as a software or hardware device installed at the point where network connection enters an internet network. We proposed and developed an improved software based solution that allows all the inbound and outbound traffic to pass through the firewall. In computer programming, a procedure is a set of coded instructions that tells a computer how to run a program or calculations. Many different types of programming languages can be used to build a procedure. Depending on the programming language, a procedure may also be called a subroutine, subprogram, or a function. Now the MCQs is 12. All the logic and mathematical calculation done by the computer happens on the dash. Here the best option is CPU. CPU in central processing unit. CPU is generally composed of the main memory, control unit, and arithmetic logic unit. Motherboard, memory, central control unit. Central control units controls the all type of the working of the computer. So here is only option that CPU is the mathematical calculation, which does the mathematical calculation. Candidates, now the MCQs is question number 13. Computer software can be defined as the computer and its associated equipments, the instructions that tell the computer what to do, computer components that act to accomplish a goal, and interface between the computer and the network. Here the best option is the instructions that tell the computer what to do and what not to do. Software is set of programs that makes hardware performance, a set of tasks in particular order. Computer software includes computer programs, libraries, and related non-executable data. Now the next MCQs is the main memory of the computer can also be called primary storage, internal memory, primary memory, all of the MCQs not. Here the main memory is also known as the primary memory and random access memory. When computer is shut down, all the data in RAM is erased. So you would be noted that when the RAM burns, your data is lost due to it.
Candidates, now the question is question number 15. The main job of the CPU is to carry out program instructions and process data and information. I have already described about the CPU in MCQs number 12. Now I'll brief about the two primary components of the CPU. First is the control unit, which regulates the processor's operation, and the second is the arithmetic unit that actually crunches or tests it out the numbers and compares their values. Now MCQs is the question number 16. Which of the following is an example of the optical disc? Firstly, I want to describe about the optical disc. Here the optical disc drive ODD uses a laser light to read data from or write data to an optical disc. These includes CDs, DVDs, and I have an other example which is known as the Blu-ray disc. This allows you to play music or watch different types of the videos. So according to this definition, here the best option is the digital versatile disk for this MCQs. Which of the following is an example of the storage devices? Candidates, let's describe about the storage devices. Storage device that uses a laser beam to read the information stored on the reflective surface of the disk. Popular types of the optical storage devices are the CD-ROM and the DVD-ROM drives. Now I have some examples regarding this definition, which are the hard drives, USB flash drives, DC-RAW and the DVD-RAM. Some others are the magnetic disk tapes. All of these are the examples of the storage devices. Here the next MCQs is a person who used his or her expertise to gain access to other people's computers to get information illegally or do damage is a. It is the very simple MCQs in which he is asking any person who will gain the access to other people's computer by using the illegal means is known as the hacker. A popular way to learn about computers without ever going to classroom is called e-learning. This is a digital platform where you can learn anything without going to classes. E-learning can also be termed as the network-enabled transfer of the skills and knowledge, and delivery of the education is made to large number of the people. Now the MCQs is which of the following is a storage device that uses rigid permanently installed magnetic disk to store data or information. Candidates, you will have to know that the magnetic disk is a hard disk. So hard disk is a storage device that uses rigid permanently installed magnetic disk to store data. It is a magnetic disk on which you can store data. It uses magnetic storage to store and retrieve digital information using one or more rigid rapidly rotating disks. A sale clerk at a checkout counter scanning a tag on an item rather than keying it into the system. He is using scanning automation. An example of the scanning automation is the barcode reader. Now the next MCQ is main memory works in conjunction with. It is very simple that main memory works in conjunction with CPU. The CPU recognizes that all that has been loaded in memory and it starts working on that data. CPU is a complex, it is an extensive set of the electronic circuits, but it executes the storage program instructions. CPU interacts with primary memory or main memory, referring to it for both instructions and data. The collection of links throughout the internet creates an interconnected network called the www, web, World Wide Web, all of the above. Here the correct option is the all of the above. Now I want to describe about the all of these these options. www is a web where documents and other web resources are identified by uniform resources locators, which is known as the URL. Now World Wide Web is an information system on the internet which allows documents to be connected to other documents by hyperlinks, enabling the user to search information by moving them from one document to the other. Candidates, now the next MCQs is the cache and main memory will lose their content when the power is off. They are: when the power is off, the main memory will be lost, so it is known as the volatile. Here the two types, one is volatile and the second is the non-volatile. I want to briefly describe these two types. Volatile memory is a computer storage that only maintains its data while the device is powered. Most RAM, mean random access memory, used for the primary storage in personal computers is volatile memory. Volatile memory contrasts with non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory does not lose content when power is lost. Volatile memory, in contrast to non-volatile memory, is computer memory that requires power to maintain the storage information. It retains its content while powered on, but when the power interrupted, the storage data is quickly lost. Most of the general purpose random access memory is volatile, mean when the power is off, the content will be lost. If you are referring to processor cache, yes, they are volatile. Today, the most common technology to make process cache is static RAM, which is also named as the SRAM. SRAM is really fast, but the cell size is relatively large, making it a good match for the processor cache but not for the main memory. Candidates, now the MCQs is the vendor created program modification are called. Vendor created program modification are called the fixes. Fix is a term describing a resolution to an issue dealing with the computer or computer hardware that permanently resolves the issue. Fixed refers to anything that is stationary, which cannot move or change. You are thanked for watching and listening my video, and you are again requested to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further lectures of this series.